Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping, that sweet business model where you sell products online without ever needing to hold any inventory yourself. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But with all the different dropshipping platforms and suppliers out there, it can get confusing fast. Especially when you throw giants like Alibaba into the mix. So, the question on everyone's mind, can you use Spocket with Alibaba? The short answer, yes, but with a twist. There you have it. Spocket does indeed work with Alibaba, but it's not quite as straightforward as connecting two dots. Here's the deal, Spocket doesn't directly integrate with the entire Alibaba marketplace. Instead, Spocket acts as a curator, offering a selection of pre-selected, winning products sourced from Alibaba suppliers. What are winning products? Think of winning products like the MVPs, the most valuable products, of the dropshipping world. These are items that have a proven track record of selling well online. Spocket vets these products based on factors like customer reviews, popularity, and profitability. The idea here is to save you the time and effort of sifting through millions of Alibaba listings to find hidden gems. Benefits of using Spocket with Alibaba. So, why would you choose to use Spocket as a middleman when you could just source directly from Alibaba? Here are a few key advantages. Convenience. Spocket streamlines the process. You can browse curated winning products, import them directly into your store with a few clicks, and manage your orders all within the Spocket platform. Faster shipping. Spocket boasts connections with suppliers who offer faster shipping options, particularly from US and EU locations. This can be a game changer when it comes to customer satisfaction. Reduced risk. Spocket pre-vets suppliers for reliability, which can offer some peace of mind, especially for beginners who might be wary of navigating the vastness of Alibaba. Things to consider before you Spocket your Alibaba products. Now, before you jump headfirst into Spocket your Alibaba finds, let's address some potential drawbacks. Limited selection. Spocket's curated selection, while convenient, means you might miss out on the sheer variety offered by the entire Alibaba marketplace. Profit margins. Spocket suppliers might have slightly higher prices compared to directly sourcing from Alibaba. This can impact your profit margins. Spocket fees. Keep in mind that Spocket has its own pricing plans, which can add to your overall costs. The verdict, Alibaba plus Spocket, a strategic alliance. So, is Spocket the magic bullet for using Alibaba in your dropshipping business? It depends. If you're a beginner who wants a user-friendly experience with pre-selected products and faster shipping, then Spocket with Alibaba can be a great starting point. However, if you're a seasoned dropshipper who prioritizes the widest selection and potentially lower costs, then sourcing directly from Alibaba might be the way to go. Ultimately, the best approach might be a strategic blend of both. Use Spocket to discover trending products and streamline your workflow, while also venturing into direct Alibaba sourcing for specific items that fit your niche. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution in dropshipping. Experiment, analyze your results, and find the approach that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.